what's inside my bag. So first of all, ito yung bag na binigay sa akin ng aking husband last December 2020. It's a gift for Christmas, and I have been using this bag many times when I go to work, when I meet my friends, when we go outside. I usually use this bag. So the difference now from the first time that I have taken a video of this bag was a review. I will put the link in the description box, yung unang video tungkol sa bag na ito. Okay, so ang difference now is that I have put some bag cover. So yung handle niya, meron na siyang cover to avoid na maging brown kaagad. Okay? Yung pagpatina ng leather niya. So niligyan ko lang ito at saka to avoid from dirt. Kasi kung basa yung kamay mo or oily, kapag hinawakan mo yung handle, magta-transfer yung oil or yung dirt sa handle ng bag mo. So to avoid that, we better put some cover just like this. Binili ko lang siya sa Shopee, about $2 lang ang bawat isa. So it helps to protect your bag. Okay. Then as I have reviewed before, this is in monogram canvas. Ayan siya. And then meron siyang stitches sa ilalim at the bottom of the bag. Pero tingnan nyo, continuous pa rin siya from here to here. So yung cut nito ay nandun. Tapos pinatungan lang nila ng isa pang canvas dito sa gitna. Pero yung leather niya, continuous from here to here. So ito yung continuation niya. Okay? So as you can see on this bag, wala pa siyang scratches, although I've used it many times, and sometimes kahit umuulan, buti na lang wala siyang watermarks. And the leather still very soft and shiny. Tapos yung kanyang mga handle, yung kanyang metal ay still very shiny. I don't know whether you can see, but there are no scratches yet kasi maingat ako sa bag. And also the zipper, yung kanyang zipper ay still very shiny and no scratches. And also the strap, although nag-color brown na siya ng kaunti, but still it's just light brown. Hindi pa siya yung purong dark caramel yung kulay niya. So makikita nyo rin yung kanyang tahi ay pantay-pantay. Okay, so this is the back side of the bag. Sa front ay meron siyang padlock. Tinatago ko yung susi kasi hindi naman kailangan buksan or anything. And as you can see as well, the padlock is very shiny. Wala siyang scratches. Yan. And then yung kanyang tahi dito still very shiny as well, and there are no scratches. Okay, so this video is what is inside my bag. So every time I go out or go to work or meet someone, sometimes it's very difficult to change bags every time. So, kung ano na yung nasa loob ng bags ko, yun na yung dadalhin ko. So, currently, it's not that very heavy. Although, malalaman mo na talagang may laman siya. But, I can handle it. I can still wear this bag as crossbody, or I can hold it into my hands. Something like that. Hand carry. Or, you can also shorten the strap if you wanted to use this as a shoulder bag. So, makikita mo, marami siyang adjustment dito. Pwede mong i-adjust to make it shorter. So let's see what is inside the bag. Okay, so I'll open it now. And let's review as well the different things that I carry every day. Okay. So pagbukas mo ng bag, ayan, makikita nyo napakaluwag and siguradong maraming mailalagay na bagay sa loob ng iyong bag. By the way, just to give you an info, the price of this bag that was purchased directly from Louis Vuitton is about 2,480 Singapore dollars. So ito, search ako sa Louis Vuitton website. So ito yung price niya. It's 2,480. And this is called Rivoli PM. So, PM size yung binili ng aking husband. So, meron pang mas malaki. Okay, so Rivoli PM. It is in monogram canvas. And this displays a beautiful drape effect. So, ito yon yung mga G-set dito. Gazetted construction. Ito yung kanyang drape effect, and it opens widely to provide easy access to belongings. So 2 flat top handles, ito yung flat top handles niya, and removable adjustable strap. And then sa loob, if you can see, there's one big pocket. I will show it to you once I remove all the things inside. So, what's inside my bag? Okay, so isa-isahin natin na ilabas yung mga bagay na nasa loob. One is my notebook. Isa siyang daily planner where I use and put all the things, all the plans, all my schedules, monthly, weekly, every day. So, yeah. Then, next will be my pouch. So, this pouch is from my Louis Vuitton Never Full bag, which I have also reviewed before. I will also put the link in the description box if you wanted to go back and watch the video, the review about Louis Vuitton Never Full bag. Okay, so ginagamit ko rin ito, and inside will be my hand cream. I always bring hand cream kasi laging dry yung aking mga kamay. And then I also have my lip balm kasi lagi din nagdadry ang aking lips. And then after I put my lip balm, I just put a bit of lip tint. Kaya may dala akong maliit na lip tint. So this is what's inside this small pouch. Sometimes I put a bit of money or my office business card. Okay, the next will be my wallet. I've also mentioned it before. So this is in Damier Ebene, and I think this is called LV Victorian, if I'm not mistaken. So ito yung sa loob niya. I don't usually bring cash with me unless kailangan talaga ng cash doon sa transaction na babayaran ko or anything, but most of the time I use credit cards because it is safer, especially now. I don't want to hold any money. So mas maganda na to electronic, then magbayad ka lang via credit card or nets or ATM. So I only have a bit of cash inside for emergency purposes only. So ito yung wallet ko na lagi kong dala every time I go out. Okay, so this is part of the SLGs, I think, that I have reviewed some time ago. The next will be my little notebook. Although I already have my planner, this is also very important for me kasi nandito lahat yung mga passwords and everything. So, dapat hindi mawala to. And I always have my ball pen with me. Ito yung turo ng aking yumaong lola na taga La Union. She told me that every time I go, I should always have a ball pen. Kasi nangyari to nung when I had joined a contest and we need to write our ideas. It's just so happened that I do not have a ball pen with me. So, natalo ako dun sa contest na yun kasi wala akong ball pen nung bata. So, starting from that moment, I always bring the ball pen with me every time I go out or anything. There's always a ball pen inside my bag. So, that's just a bit of trivia for you. Okay, the next one that I have inside, I have also shown this before. This is just a small card holder that you can also put your money. So I only have few dollars inside, and then my membership cards, my Singapore IC, and then some credit cards, and then my priority pass. And every time I travel, I need to have this so that I can access lounges. And then my Starbucks. Okay, my Starbucks card. Kasi mahilig ako sa kape. Okay, so this is from one of my Louis Vuitton bag, Felicie Pochette, which I have also reviewed some time ago. I just carry this because it's so handy. You can just put your cards, your membership cards, and then you can just bring along with you every time you go out or travel. Okay, the next one, I love this. I really love this one. It's a gift from a friend of mine, and this is actually a case for you to put your AirPod, your Apple AirPod. So here inside is my AirPod, and then you can actually put the charger here. Meron na siyang butas para sa charger, and it's so handy because you can just open it and then you can just get your AirPods. Okay, so I always bring this because when I travel, when I am inside the MIT, I wanted to watch a movie or listen to music, I always have this. Okay, so this is AirPods holder, I should say.